You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this Italian dish, Tuscan dish, I should say. If you want to learn more food names, cuisine, Italian cuisine, pronunciation, stay tuned. Italian pronunciation, bistecca, bistecca, because you have a double C, it's pronounced like a K, and you want to stress on that K sound, bistecca, meaning steak in Italian. Then alla Fiorentina. Fiorentina means Florentine, from Florence city in Tuscany. So that's a way of cooking a steak, and it's a type of steak. Bistecca alla Fiorentina. Bistecca alla Fiorentina. Or the English pronunciation, Bistecca alla Fiorentina. Bistecca alla Fiorentina, or in Italian, Bistecca alla Fiorentina. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.